In the 1990s, a new genre of game became popular, the first-person shooter, putting players in the boots of a soldier on the ground, facing down enemies with virtual weapons. It also coincided with the massive popularity of home gaming on consoles and online play. In the aftermath of the September 11th terrorist attacks in 2001, games deriving themes and equipment from the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq became immensely popular. Other games emerged that critiqued the wars and the technology and tactics used to wage them. This game, Medal of Honor, started as a shooter game in which players revisit Second World War battles, but in 2010, a new version brought players to Afghanistan. The game made international news because, in online matches, players could choose to play as the Taliban. This led to some controversy as political figures and other commentators considered it disrespectful during an ongoing war. The faction's name was later changed.
Not all the games released during this period put players behind a gun. Some games offered critical commentary on wars past and present. This War of Mine is set in an urban environment in wartime, based on the experiences of survivors of the siege of Sarajevo. Players took on the role of civilians caught in an urban war zone, making difficult decisions about who gets medicine, food, and whether to go out and risk death or capture just to make ends meet. A reminder that wars affect everyone.